Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start. Scenario 1. Discussing the latest EPL match.
Hey Mike, did you catch the EPL game last night?
Oh yeah, that match between Liverpool and Manchester City was intense.
Absolutely. The way Liverpool's defense held up against City's relentless attacks was impressive.
And that goal from Salah was pure brilliance. Did you see that curve on the ball?
Unbelievable. He's in incredible form this season. Do you think Liverpool has a chance for the title?
It's hard to say, but they're certainly in the race. Chelsea and Manchester City are strong contenders too.
True. It's going to be a tight competition. By the way, did you catch any other games over the weekend?
I watched the Arsenal match. They're struggling lately, don't you think?
Yeah, it's been a tough season for them. Maybe they'll make some changes in the next transfer window.
Hey, Tom. How's your fantasy football team doing in the EPL?
Not great. I had high hopes for my strikers, but they haven't been delivering lately.
Tell me about it. My goalkeeper got injured, and now I'm scrambling to find a decent replacement.
It's tricky. Injuries and suspensions can really mess up your fantasy team. Who's your captain for the next round?
I'm thinking of going with Bruno Fernandes. He's been consistent with assists and goals.
Solid choice. I'm going with Harry Kane. Spurs have a favorable fixture, and he's been on fire lately.
True, Kane is a reliable pick. Let's hope our choices bring in some points this week.
Fingers crossed. Fantasy football can be stressful, but it adds an extra layer of excitement to the EPL season.
Scenario 3. Planning a live match viewing.
Hey, Lisa. The EPL game between Manchester United and Chelsea is on this weekend. Wanna catch it at the pub? I heard they've both been struggling a bit lately, so it could be a make or break game for their seasons.
Yeah, it's a must-watch. I'll invite some friends too. The more the merrier, right?
Great idea. I'll bring some snacks, and we can enjoy the game together. Who do you think will come out on top?
Tough call. Both teams have top-notch players. Let's hope for an exciting, high-scoring match.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.